have been just salivating about these ever since I saw the initial idea of the design. Oh, that's incredible. Look at that.
I really think this is gonna be the future of restorative dentistry.
It's just going to make the OVC so much easier. I'd say it's as close to perfection I've ever seen in dentistry when it comes to matrices.
Oh, that's very simple. I like that. I like that because what you have here is no major flash below the preparation, and everywhere else the cleanup will be very easy. Everything's way super gingerly, and that's excellent.
What I like is the simplicity of this.
Yep.
There's no wheel to turn. It's just so simple.
Straightforward.
Yes, and if I need to, I can loosen it. I can reseat, and I can tighten it again if I need to.
The evolution of this continues to just amaze. It really is.
This is fabulous.
Every step, from the very first concept that we had way back in Las Vegas many years ago to what we're seeing now, I just love the continued development and advancement. It's making it easier for a person to get a single visit prep.